Welcome to the TechLattice Stable Diffusion with Automatic 1111 Web Interface video course. In this comprehensive program, we will dive into the fascinating world of Stable Diffusion and Automatic 1111, the cutting-edge web interface that revolutionizes the world of visual arts. In the first part, we'll have a short introduction to what is generative AI and why there is so much buzz around Stable Diffusion. For IT industry, change is the only constant, and companies need to continuously learn, evaluate and assess new technologies so as to remain ahead of the curve. TechLattice.net helps you achieve this by providing products and services that enable you to jump-start assessing, learning and mastering latest technologies. The popularity of Stable Diffusion has surged across diverse disciplines, primarily due to its versatility and adaptability to a wide range of applications. But due to the setup and hardware constraint, not everyone is able to run it on their local systems. TechLattice.net provides Stable Diffusion with Automatic 1111 web interface setup in the form of virtual machine solution on leading cloud platforms, that is Google Cloud GCP, Amazon Cloud AWS and Azure. You can choose from wide range of instances as per your hardware and use case requirements. In this section of video tutorial, we will cover step-by-step instructions on setting up the necessary infrastructure, configuring security measures, and integrating the Automatic 1111 web interface into your cloud environment. Moving forward, we will delve into the Automatic 1111 web interface, an intuitive and user-friendly platform that empowers you to implement Stable Diffusion with ease. We'll explain key features of Automatic 1111 web interface. The user interface is quite intuitive, but we'll have a tour with running demos to demonstrate its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Apart from this web UI functionality, we will also walk you through the most crucial command line arguments of Stable Diffusion. We'll see how to make changes in the script to lock the web UI with various command line options. The Stable Diffusion web UI opens up many of the features in interactive UI, but what if you want to use it as an engine to build applications? And the solution is the Fast API, which is built in with the Stable Diffusion web UI project itself. You just need to enable it. TechLattice Virtual Machine Solutions have APIs enabled out of the box, so you can start using them right away. We'll discuss how to enable and use them. We can send post requests with our prompt and parameters and receive responses that contain output images. Moving forward, we'll discuss about ControlNet extension, which is a neural network structure that helps you control the diffusion model, just like the Stable Diffusion model, with adding extra conditions. It gives you much greater and finer control when creating images with text-to-image and image-to-image. Next, we have DreamBooth feature. It's a way to train Stable Diffusion on a particular object or style, by creating your version of the model that generates those objects or styles. You can train and create your own model by providing as small as 3 images of a particular object or style with the base model of Stable Diffusion. The new model will generate images which are more finer and of the style on which you trained the model. Automatic 1111 comes with the vast options and tools for image processing. However, there may be scenarios where users need to extend the functionality of these tools to meet specific needs or integrate with other tools. Automatic 1111 gives an ecosystem of extensions. Extensions are an additional feature of the Automatic 1111 Stable Diffusion web UI that provides a more convenient way to use user scripts. We will discuss how to extend Automatic 1111 and Stable Diffusion functionality using extensions. And the last part will discuss about Stable Diffusion models. How to use different models in Automatic 1111 and merge them to create new checkpoints. Stable Diffusion creates images based on its training data. It generates images using base model in several contexts. The model is trained on a huge datasets with labeled data, which make it possible to generate images with text prompt. Although Stable Diffusion has its advantages and is trained on a huge dataset, it may not excel in every scenario. And the solution is to train your own model. Additional training involves fine-tuning a base model with an additional dataset of interest. There are thousands of fine-tuned Stable Diffusion models publicly available to download. The number is increasing every day. We will see how to download and use different models with Automatic 1111. We will also discuss merging base models to create new one which will excel in desired genre. TechLattice VM solution is pre-configured for stable diffusion with an enabled API, application programming interface, and also includes the widely used automatic 1111 web interface. In addition, ControlNet and DreamBooth features are pre-installed out of the box so you can focus on your productivity instead of going through the laborious and time-consuming process of installation and setting up the right environment. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Stable Diffusion and master the deployment of Tech latest Stable Diffusion with the automatic 1111 web interface on GCP, AWS, and Azure. Whether you are an engineer, scientist, data analyst, or a curious learner, this course promises to equip you with the knowledge and practical skills to harness the power of Stable Diffusion for enhanced performance. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of this groundbreaking technology. Thank you for watching.